people are sending me messages on the Instagram. Okay, why you are still here? Why you are not in Canada or US as you already passed the NAV? Okay, these are the valid points as well, say, because it's been almost 1 year and like 4 or 5 months since I passed the naval, and I am here in UAE. Why? Why it's taking so long? Okay. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. So it's been a while since we talked last time. It's been almost 1.5 years, I would say, almost 2 years since we talked last time. A lot of you already know that I'm working in UAE since last 1 year. So I came here last year in November. I started my first job on November 21. I joined Vet Plus Center. I worked there for 6 months. Then I moved to the Positive Veterinary Clinic Dubai. Then I worked there for almost like 6 months, and I'm still working there. So it's been a year, and a lot of you people are sending me messages on the Instagram. Okay, why you are still here? Why you are not in Canada or US as you already passed the NAVLE and all that stuff. And even I saw someone sent me a screenshot few days back, a screenshot of a junior. I don't know, she is in final year now or fourth year, and some teacher was advising, okay, you don't have to go for the NAVLE straight away, as I know a lot of people are still here who already passed the NAVLE. So none of them already went to the US or Canada. So these are the questions. Okay, these are the valid points as well, say, because it's been almost 1 year and like 4 or 5 months since I passed the NAVLE, and I am here in UAE. Why it's taking so long? Okay, so first of all, after passing the NAVLE, you have to get the job, and even before passing NAVLE, you can get the job as well. There are a lot of recruiting agencies in the US and Canada, and even outside, which are recruiting the people for the Canada and the US. Specifically, I will talk about the Canada. Getting visa, like the work permit for the Canada, is way easier only after passing the NAVLE as compared to the US, because if you want to go on the H1B visa, which is the US working visa, you have to pass the CPE for that one. Oh, okay, there are multiple options. You can go for internships, or even before as well on J1 and these type of, and H3, which is a kind of training visa. But I will talk about the Canada thing because it's easier, and once you got the job, they will apply for your work permit, and that everyone almost asking me why you're still here. So the thing is, visa process takes time. Okay, I got the job last year in November in Canada. Then okay, then they have to apply the LMIA, which is Labor Market Impact Assessment. I will not be going into the detail of the LMIA. You can see the details on the website of the Canadian government as well. Okay, let's cut it short. LMIA basically is that one form, okay, कि जी कैनेडियन एम्प्लॉयर ने गवर्नमेंट को इस बात पे उनको प्रूव करना होता है कि हमारे पास कनाडा में कोई और बंदा नहीं है जिसको हम हायर कर सकें. That's why we are hiring the foreign worker. So once the government approved, it means your LMIA got approved. It takes around 45 to 60 days. In my case, I think 1.5 months, I will say. Yeah. So I got my LMIA in February. Then okay, they applied visa for me. At that time, the working, the processing time was only 16 weeks. But then the Russian-Ukraine war started. Okay, they wrote on their website as well that we will be preferring them now instead of all the other countries. So then visa time exceeds, like keep on increasing, and it reaches like almost 40 months, 45 months, even 60 as well. So that's why it nowadays it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so this is the major point. We already signed, me, a lot of other my friends, 5 of them which already got the jobs, and their work permit was also applied by their employers. So we are waiting. The waiting time these days is 8 to 10 months basically nowadays, because before it was, when I applied, it was only 4 months, but then it keep on increasing because of the war. So that is the basic reason why I am still here, and hopefully within few months, once I got the visa, I will go there, and you will see as well. I'll share my journey and everything with you. If you guys pass the NAVLE, I can help you in getting the job as well. Okay, I know some recruiters who, they will ask you what kind of practice you want, mix, large animals, small animals, E-points, whatever you want. Then they will find the employers, they will conduct the interviews. That's how I got the job, and that's how you guys will get the job as well. If you have any other questions regarding NAVLE and all that stuff, you can simply ask me. So today I cleared the question which I was being asked since almost like 3-4 months now by everyone. So hope this curiosity why am I still in UAE, not in US and Canada, is clear now. All right, thank you so much. See you.